coats. They keep us warm when it is cold. Something that our ancestors have used for a millennium before us. But Viking coats, well, they're a lot cooler. Not really, they're just kind of the same as normal coat, they just look like a giant cardigan, but I want to make one to add to my clothing collection that I make. So, what we will be doing today is making a Viking coat. I have seen lots of people that I follow on Instagram who are also into reenactment make these, have them in their posts, and I feel a little left out. Not gonna lie, my little Instagram account was a little left out. So, I've decided to order some wool. I have the wool, and I'm gonna turn it into a Viking coat. I'm actually doing this intro after I've already made it and I'm just staring at it. I love it so much. But I'm going to be following the same basic pattern that I do for my Viking dresses. My blog with a tutorial. It will be linked down below if you're interested in trying that one out. But it's just going to be the basic rectangles, triangles, and 2 squares that we are so used to. And yeah, let's get sewing. So for my coats and any other medieval project, I like to plan it out on XL. I do this by making little tiny squares that represent 5 centimeters each and build it from there. So this is how it looks laid out on the fabric. And then it is ready to be cut. I began sewing by attaching the 2 halves of the gauze together along the straight edge to get one whole triangle, before attaching these shoulder seams together so they look like a little padawan, I guess. Attaching the gauze into each side. Here it is all sewn in, nice and neat at the top. And then here's what it's looking like so far, tried on. I forgot to film actually making the sleeves for this, so this is a clip from my blog, but you basically want to start out by getting a little armpit gusset and sewing it to one side before getting that side and attaching it to, as you can see, this part here to the other half of your sleeve, so that once it's sewn together you get this little diamond shape before sewing along the rest of the sleeve length. And here it is with the sleeves attached. How lovely! Okay, so the construction of the coat is done, as you can see. So stunning, wow. I'm kind of scaring myself at how quickly I can do this. This took me an hour, like an hour to put together. It literally just needs to be hemmed and I need to order some decorative trim from my tried and true Etsy store, which I'll link in the description below for you guys. She makes some beautiful tablet woven trim that I've used before. It's stunning, but this is the coat. Lots of room for my hand to stay warm. Yeah, something that I love about this as well is it's so like simple in itself. Even with the trim, it's going to be like something that I can wear every day, like functionality wise. Like I could wear this to university and not get like a weird look, if you know what I mean. But I can't really go to uni in a 15th century dress that's bright orange and really heavy. I can't really go to uni in that, nor can I go to uni in my surcoat, this beautiful thing. Can't really go to uni in that. It's kind of like a wear it when I have an event on sort of thing. But this is functional. Like I can wear this whenever I want. It's really warm as well, so like, not for today, it's not quite cold enough in Australia yet for me to be wearing this, but definitely in a couple weeks time I could just wear this out of the house and it'll be so comfy. Like it's actually really comfy, it's really warm, so it's definitely a winter staple. Also, if you want to add like some historical clothing into your everyday wardrobe, highly recommend making this coat. Like, oh my gosh, it's just like cute as well. It's like cute and simple. It's giving English teacher and I love it.
For the hem, I just did a double rolled hem, pinned it all the way along up onto the back of the neck as well, and sewed it all in one go.
I have hemmed the coat. This is where it will be pinned here. I don't have a pin at the moment though for it, or a brooch. So for now, imagine. But this is it. It's all hemmed. I've hemmed the bottom. I'm debating whether or not to like hem the sleeves properly because this wool doesn't fray. But I don't know. I've hemmed here. All it needs is some decorative trim, which I will order. Don't know what color yet, but we'll see. We shall see. This is a really nice coat. I really like it. The hems turned out really nice. As you can see, this is just a double rolled hem all the way around. Oh, boxes. Yeah, this is how it's turned out. And I love it. Gonna order some trim though for it.
So for my tablet woven trim, I headed on over to my favourite Etsy store for tablet woven trim, which I'm going to butcher this, GewandUndTand. I will link it in the description for you guys. She has some beautiful trims. I mean, just look at these, like there are so many designs, colours. She just has everything and she continues to put up more as she goes along.
So these are the options that I have. I have this simple green one, that's the only photo. There's this yellow and blue one. Same thing, but like swapped. And then there's this one, which isn't black, it's green and white. I don't know what one to choose. I think I'm gonna do a vote on Instagram and see what people choose. Okay, wait. So as much as I love that other store, I decided to have a look at like whether or not there were any other stores selling tablet woven trim, and I found this nice blue trim. I quite like this. I think that this would look nice with the brown. Kind of brighten it up a little bit, but I need to figure out how much I need. Okay, it's the next day. I may have gotten a little distracted last night, so I haven't bought my trim for the coat yet because I couldn't decide what one, even though everyone on Instagram said the green, but I never gave them the blue option. So that makes it tricky. But I did buy my belt because I've been wanting a tablet woven belt for a while now, and I did buy it. So I'm gonna show you that one. It's this beautiful color here from this lovely Etsy store, which I will have below as well. I love it. I think it's such a nice color, and I think it will work where I can wear it with like multiple of my dress colors without it looking like funky, if you know what I mean. I was also looking at another one which was blue and yellow, and it had like dragon heads weaved into it, but that one would only really work with like one of my dresses, maybe two. So I went with this one because I think it will work with everything. But yeah, I'm gonna do another vote on Instagram to see what they think when their options are the blue or the green. And we'll see what they come back with. It's here, it has arrived, it's beautiful, like always. It actually arrived like 6 weeks ago, but it arrived right before I went on holiday to the UK. So, while I was off having the time of my life, it sat at home because I couldn't take it with me. But the Abbey Medieval Festival, which is what this garment is specifically for, is in 2 days. 2 days. So I am going to attach this now to the coat at 10 o'clock at night by hand, and hopefully I order the right amount. Fingers crossed. I magically had enough, and you should have seen like the pure excitement from me. Like, I started celebrating. I have like extra. So if something goes wrong, or like I tighten it while I'm sewing, it's fine. It'll be enough. Anyway, time to sew, so that this is one less project that I have to stress about. Almost 3 hours later, it is done. I have successfully attached the tablet woven trim to my coat. I am tired. It is almost 1 in the morning. My eyes hurt. And I'm ready for bed. So that's what I'm gonna do. But I will see you, and you'll see the results in the review. And there you have it, an easy tutorial to make a Viking coat. If you did enjoy the video, please like, subscribe, and if you do give this a try, make sure you tag me on my Instagram so I can see what you made at medievalmusgrave. I will also be chucking a tutorial for this up onto my blog, a written one for you to check out. There'll be a link to that in the description down below. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in my next sewing project. I'm gonna run out of money soon.